Good morning, class. Today we'll start with the book exercises of chapter 17, present and past continuous tense. So in this class, we will be focusing on the exercises of present continuous tense. So let's start with the first exercise. Fill in the blanks with the present continuous form of the verbs given in the bracket. Now you can see that in bracket, in this yellow color, the verbs are given. You have to change them to frame sentences in present continuous tense. So you know that in present continuous form, we are using which form of the verb? We are using the ing form of the verb along with some helping verbs like is, am, or are. So let's start. She dash a nice dress. Now children, she is singular. So we'll be using is, and wear will be changed to ing form wearing. She is wearing a nice dress. The porters. The porters, they are plural. So are carrying heavy luggage. Why are you stopping me here? Stop will be changed to stopping, and with you we use are. So here it will be are, and here stopping. I is followed by am. So I am. Wait will be changed to waiting for my mom. I am waiting for my mom. Those kids, plural. So are. Dance will be changed to ing form dancing. Those kids are dancing with their friends. You, followed by are. You are not practicing for the final match. The teacher, singular, followed by is. The teacher is. Collect will change to collecting our notebooks. The teacher is collecting our notebooks. She dash to the radio. So it will be, is she listening to the radio? Is he repairing the car? Your brother is telling a lie. Your brother is singular, so is telling a lie. Then coming to the next exercise, fill in the blanks with simple present or present continuous form of the verb. Now children, before doing this exercise, I want to explain you some differences between simple present tense and present continuous tense. This will help you in solving the exercise in your books. Now children, see, simple present tense, this we have already done. Things that are always true. That means some facts are there that are always true, universal truths. They are written in simple present tense. Like the sun rises in the east, वो हमेशा east से ही उगेगा. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा कि sun west से उग रहा है. So sun will always rise from the east. Then the earth is a planet. This will remain a fact that earth is a planet. So some truths, in fact all the truths or universal truths, are written in simple present tense. Things that happen all the time, repeatedly, often, sometimes, never, etc., they are also written in simple present tense. So जो चीज़ें बार बार हो रही हैं, अक्सर होती हैं या कभी भी नहीं होती, they are also mentioned in simple present tense. Our day-to-day habits, our habitual actions, they all are written in simple present tense, right? Like the sun rises in the east. I play football. She often wears blue. So words like rises, play, wears, they all are what? Simple present tense. They are the first form of the verb that we are using in simple present tense. Present continuous tense, these describe the things that are happening now, things that are happening around now, जो आपके सामने अभी बात करते हुए जो चीज़ें हो रही हैं, दे आर known as present continuous tense. The actions that are going on in front of you right now, they are present continuous tense. With this, we are using helping verbs is, am, or are, and the ing form of the verb. So the sun is shining today. She is wearing blue jeans. They are looking sad. So words like are looking, is wearing, is shining is present continuous tense. So difference is clear. Simple present tense describes the habitual action or universal truth. Present continuous tense describes the actions that are going on around you right now, जो आपके सामने अभी हो रहे हैं, right? So now let's focus on exercise 2. I dash to temple every Sunday. Now, every Sunday. This shows that it's in your habit, and habitual actions में हम simple present tense use करते हैं. So here we will write go. I go to temple every Sunday. Simple present tense आएगा. I dash to temple now. Now that means अभी जो काम हो रहा है, for that we use present continuous form. So I am going to temple now. Is it clear? They dash kites in the evening. That means every evening or usually in evening they fly kites. So it is the sentence of simple present tense. So we will use first form of the verb fly. They fly kites in the evening. My dad dash my uniform at this moment. At this moment means now. So when we are telling about the actions that are going on now, we are using present continuous form. So my dad is ironing my uniform at this moment. Today, he dash seriously. So today we are talking about now. अभी जो action हो रहा है आज. So today he is not studying seriously. Why dash you always dash my share of sweets? Now, why do you always take my share of sweets? Always, that means it's in your habit. So that's an habitual action. Simple present we will be using. So why do you always take my share of sweets? Mom dash my test right now. Right now means अभी ले रही हैं. So present continuous form. Mom is taking my test right now. She usually means most of the time. So when we are describing the actions that are taking place often, usually we use simple present tense. So she usually cooks food before 8 p.m. Clear? So you have to read the sentence. From sentences you have to find out whether you have to use present continuous form or simple present. Now if you are using simple present, you have to use the base form of the verb. That is the first form. And present continuous form, you have to use is, am, or are plus ing form of the verb. Right? Now coming to the third one. Change these sentences into present continuous tense. Now for changing the sentence into present continuous tense, you have to first find out the verb. आप verb को find करिए, उस verb को ing form में convert करिए, and before that put is, am, and are, and that you will decide based on the subject. So the sun shines brightly. What is the verb? Shines. Okay. So it will be changed to shining. Now, अब is लगाना है, am लगाना है, कि are लगाना है. For that you have to see the subject. Subject is what? The sun. So the sun is singular. So we'll put is, the sun is shining brightly. Right? So that sentence you will write here. Farmers plow their fields. Plow is the verb. Change it into ing. Plowing. farmers plural hai, so we'll be putting are. Farmers are plowing their field. We recite Sanskrit verses. Recite is the verb, change it into ing form, reciting. And we plural, so we are reciting Sanskrit verses. Why do you disturb us? So here disturb is verb, it will be changed to disturbing. So why are you disturbing us? He does not wait for his friends. Wait is the verb, change it into ing, waiting. And he, so we will have is. He is not waiting for his friends. Children watch puppet show. Watch is the verb, change it into ing, watching. Children is plural, so put are. Children are watching puppet show. Right? So the sun is shining brightly. Farmers are plowing their fields. We are reciting Sanskrit verses. Why are you disturbing us? He is not waiting for his friends. Children are watching puppet show. So these sentences you will be writing here, complete sentences, and you will finish this exercise. Thank you.